As an intern, I had two expectations. First is the learning in the field of safety, and second is about company's work culture. And both of them were fulfilled in the East Corp group. Every day of my internship were filled with so many learnings, not only technical, but also include enhancement of soft skill, personality development, and communication. In fact, the East Corp Group CEO, Hemant sir, also arranged webinars related to career development, resume, and interview related.
East Crop Group is one of those companies which focuses on empowerment of their employees and their clients. Here you can find mentor in your supervisor and your colleagues. Senior management is very approachable and they are very welcoming in nature. The team spirit of ECG Group can be seen in the working of their employees.
Fortunately, I got an internship at the ISCO Group. I began my internship journey just a short while 2 months ago. Overall, my time in the company as an intern has been quite eye-opening and educational. Most importantly, the internship has taught me to be more of a leader and be more confident in my work.
I remember the day when I got email from Hemant Khadse sir, CEO of East Corp Group. On that day, I was very excited. I should say very excited to work with a prestigious organization like yours, the East Corp Group. But the day when we were supposed to attend the session on the Microsoft team, I was a bit nervous. Frankly, I was a bit nervous that day because I have to interact with many competent professionals of my field, that is safety. But as slowly and gradually as the time passed, I was a bit comfortable. I was able to keep my ideas in front of everyone. I was confident. That was only because of the cooperative and supportive nature of the each and every East Corp employee.
Hi, my name is Rakesh Sati and I got a chance to do internship with East Corp Group. So first of all, if I talk about East Corp Group, it is basically a safety consultant, right? So if I talk about the company culture, so company culture of East Corp Group was very fun learning as well as very helpful because all of the employees, all of the staff has helped us during our internship of 45 days. Second thing, if I talk about in terms of knowledge, so I got to know about multiple dimensions of a safety consultant, how these consultants work in the industry of HSC profile. Third thing, if I talk about my knowledge, so also I got to know about multiple topics like process safety management, HERA, as well as seismic bracing for earthquake conditions, right?
There were many such sessions and lectures on different technical and soft skill topics which has expanded our knowledge of working in industry. The thing I mostly loved during my internship was preparing documents like pocket guides and training modules, and I loved it because I was much appreciated in these tasks also. The whole ECG team was very caring and I am very grateful to them.
The East Corp Group work culture. The best part of the company is they have values. The team doesn't consider us just an intern and provide us with the work. They even work with us, work on developing our skill and expanding our knowledge.
I was given many different tasks similar to what the day-to-day life of a professional safety engineer is like. After a couple of weeks I felt comfortable with my pace of work. This is where the internship was rewarding because I was able to learn something new and improve my technical skills, communication skills, and also time management. Specific things that I learned were how to do an health in HERA and the access DNA and audit review. That along with other computer applications, and also I was able to create a virtual mock drill and write a pocket guide.
So I got to learn a deep, like I got to learn or I can say I obtained a deep learning about the various topics which usually a safety officer deliver in the industry when he get enrolled in any company. Also, this internship has broadened my horizon and introduced a practical approach in my mindset, because this one thing if I talk about East Corp is that every employee of East Corp has a practical mindset, has a practical approach to every task. So during my 45 days, I got to learn this skill, right? So now if I do any task, first of all I make a roadmap in my mind, like this is how I'm going to do this task, and now I have developed a practical approach in my mindset as well. So internship with eScorp was very fun, as well as all of the members provide us a support and a great help in our every task, and delivered us a beautiful lecture of hardest topic in a simplest way, as I can tell you. So if I talk about my overall experience with eScorp, my experience was very good, very knowledgeful, and I sincerely thankful to Mr. Hemant Khatse as well as to all eScorp.